House Design Spot presents Double Bay by SAOTA. Set in a north-facing cove in Sydney's vast natural harbour. The site borders a recreational park and a public pier which juts out into the bay. This element forms one axis for the site, whilst a pristine beach, directly in front of the site, forms another. From the principal park elevation that the new building appears as a collection of planes, a play on space, privacy and threshold. Graphite grey sail screens are rigged just off the house, providing privacy from the road. Timber cladding, plastered mass walls, a wood-clad soffit and the exaggerated kill of a bay window punched through the sail screens are layered into further planes. This game creates depth in an otherwise linear facade and provides privacy whilst maximizing light and views to the park. Set into this facade, the stairwell is fully glazed, but wrapped protectively in a cloak of timber louvres. From the street and bay view, the other predominant elevation of the house, the largely glazed lower story is lost below crisp white walls, black framed window boxes and sail screens. A large lily-pilly tree was preserved and frames the street side of the elevation. The bayside wing of the house is one open-plan space. Stairs, rather than walls, delineate the raised kitchen and family dining from more formal areas. Displayed their South African signature in this design with its sharp lines, light forms and the lush integration of nature, which all combine to make the design feel at home in this special site.